Welcome back. In this video, we're making the chocolate cake from Hulu's The Bear, which hails from pastry chef Sarah Mispagel-Lustbader, co-owner of Chicago's Loaf Lounge. Before we get started, we have to talk about the chocolate. On my right, I have Valrhona Dutch process cocoa powder, and then, on my left, is Valrhona 64% dark chocolate fève. First up, the chocolate mousse. Into a small pot, pour in 4 cups of water, or about 1 inch. Bring up to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Place a heat-proof bowl right over the top. Then add 1 1/3 cups plus 4 teaspoons of the dark chocolate fève, finely chopped, and 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once the chocolate and butter have melted and the mixture is smooth, remove bowl from heat and set it off to the side. Into a new bowl, whisk together 10 egg yolks and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Place the bowl over the simmering water, whisking constantly until the mixture registers 160 degrees Fahrenheit on an instant read thermometer. This will take about 5 to 6 minutes. Transfer the mixture into the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment. Beat on medium-high speed for 5 minutes or until pale yellow in color and at least tripled in size. Pour the egg yolk mixture into the chocolate mixture. Fold the two together until just combined. Into a clean bowl of a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, pour in 4 egg whites. Beat on medium-high speed for 15 seconds or until foamy. With the mixer still on medium-high speed, gradually add in 2 tablespoons of sugar, or until stiff peaks form, about 1 to 2 minutes. Fold the egg white mixture into the chocolate mixture in 3 additions. Into a clean bowl, pour in half a cup of heavy cream. Using an electric mixer, beat on medium-high speed for 40 to 50 seconds, or until medium peaks form. Fold the whipped cream into the other mixture. Cover and place into the refrigerator for 24 hours. Next up, the cake layers. Into a large bowl, 2½ cups flour, 1 1/4 cups of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, and 2½ teaspoons kosher salt. Mix until combined. Into a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, add in 5 large eggs. Beat on medium-high speed for 2 minutes or until light and foamy. Now, with the mixer still on medium-high speed, slowly add in 3 cups of sugar, beating until pale and voluminous, or about 5 minutes. According to her recipe, the mixture should fall off the whisk attachment in ribbons and remain suspended briefly on the surface before sinking back into the batter. Reduce the speed to low. Add the flour mixture in 3 additions. Alternately, with brewed coffee at room temperature, 1 1/4 cups in total, and melted butter, 3/4 cup in total. Beginning and ending with the flour mixture, in goes 1 1/2 cups crème fraîche. Mix until just combined. Pour into prepared baking pans lined with parchment paper and greased with Pam, about 3 cups of batter in each. Tap gently on your work surface area to eliminate any air pockets. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Let the cakes cool in their baking pans on wire racks for 10 minutes. Then transfer onto wire racks, parchment side down, to finish cooling, about 1½ to 2 hours. For the icing, 6 cups powdered sugar and ½ cup cocoa powder. Mix until combined. Into a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, add in 2 1/4 cups unsalted butter. Beat on medium speed for 2 minutes or until creamy. Reduce to low. Gradually add in the powdered sugar mixture about 2 minutes. Increase the speed back to medium and beat until fluffy about 2 to 3 minutes. Pour in ½ cup of heavy cream and 2 teaspoons vanilla. Mix until just combined. Using a cake leveler with a sawing motion, cut into the edge of the cake and then all the way through to make it flat. Repeat the process for the remaining cake layers. Onto the center of a cake turntable stand, add the first cake layer cut side up. Pipe a 2-inch tall border of icing around the cake's border. Spoon 2 cups of mousse onto the center of the cake. Spread into an even layer within the border with an offset spatula. On goes the second cake layer, cut side up. Once again, make a border with the icing, 2 cups of mousse onto the center, and then spread into an even layer. Top with the last cake layer cut side down. Close any gaps with some more icing. Smooth it out. Spread the remaining icing over the top and sides of the cake. With an icing comb, smooth out the icing on the sides first. Then smooth out the top. Place into the refrigerator for 15 minutes to chill until set. Cut yourself a nice-sized piece. And there we have it, the chocolate cake from Hulu's The Bear. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.